To get coupon codes on Amazon, there are several methods to explore. Firstly, Amazon has a dedicated coupon page where digital coupons can be clipped across various categories, with discounts applied automatically at checkout. Another option is to subscribe to Amazon's newsletters and promotional emails, which provide updates on the latest deals and exclusive promo codes directly to your inbox. Joining Amazon Prime is also a viable option, as it offers access to exclusive deals, early access to sales, and additional discounts. Following Amazon on social media can also be beneficial, as the company often shares promotional codes and special offers on its social platforms. Utilizing third-party websites and browser extensions can help discover and apply available promo codes automatically during checkout. Additionally, exploring Amazon warehouse deals can provide discounted prices on open box or pre-owned items, resulting in significant savings. When browsing Amazon's today's deals, sorting products by discount from high to low can quickly identify items with the highest percentage off. Subscribing to Amazon's Subscribe and Save program can also yield discounts on regular deliveries of eligible products. It's essential to review the terms and conditions associated with each coupon or promo code to ensure they apply to your desired products and to be mindful of expiration dates, as many deals are time sensitive. By exploring these options, you can find ways to get coupon codes on Amazon and make the most of your shopping experience.